How to remove your bio from Linktree easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your bio. First open your browser and then click on your profile here in top corner and then click my account, and then once you're here scroll down until you find appearance, and now just click bio and then delete it. Now just click this icon here. Now let's make sure, just go to appearance, and as you see bio have been removed. That's it. Now just go back, and now I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.